So the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined is set to release February 17th, which happens to be All-Star Weekend, which also happens to be Michael Jordan's 61st birthday, at a retail price of $215. Guys and girls, let me know what you think about these kicks. And also, let me know, have you noticed that Nike has been increasing their prices on us? Let me know. What's going on? You know who it is, MTIP. I am Mr. Think I'm Possible, where I challenge you to think that I'm possible. Today, we're going to take a look at four Air Jordan 4s that came out last year in 2023 that personally I think were sleepers. Some people liked them, some people hated them, but ultimately, let me know down below what you think. Right up there. So coming in at number one, you know what shoe it is. It's going to be the Air Jordan 4 Craft Olive. You've heard me talk about these kicks. There's something special about the Craft. They tend to give us premium materials, but you have heard me talk about the Swamp Water 4s. These originally come with the green laces, as you can see right there. Those are the stock laces. These also look really good with the lace swap, as you can see there on the screen. Looks good with some sail laces. It looks good with black laces. These released in 2023 for $210. Let me know, what do you think about the Swamp Water 4s? Well, now that things are heating up, coming in at number two is going to be the Air Jordan 4 Photon Dust. And take a look at these 4s right here. This happens to be another Craft. As I stated before, with the olives, with the Swamp Waters, they tend to give us very good premium materials with these Crafts here. You can see that nice hairy suede that they got going on there. You can see leather, you can see cracked leather. You see what's going on with this silhouette right here. But they actually tend to look out for us when it comes to these materials, and everything's nice and plush. I mean, just take a look at that here. These originally come with the gray laces, but as you can see there on your screen, the lace swaps can actually, you can get very, very creative with these lace swaps, because when you have a nice, a nice neutral color like this gray neutral color with that pale vanilla, look, I'm telling you right now, you can match this with anything. You can match these colors with anything, and I just absolutely love these neutral colors. Let me know what you think down below. And while I have you right there, since you know, kicking it and hanging out with your boy, go ahead, like the video, subscribe to your boy. I appreciate each and every one of you. But coming in at number three, we're going to have the Air Jordan 4 Thunder. Ooh, the Thunder. Now, you see, me personally, I was actually very excited when these came out. I went ahead and copped these. I had EA on JD Sports, and I was actually very, very excited to pick these up. But let me know what you think about them. You know what the 4s are. You know what the Thunders are. These originally come with the black laces. You see the hits of that black and yellow all throughout that silhouette. You see that white there on the Jumpman, and we also have that on the interior tag there. But let me know what you think about those. And we have that white Jumpman on the bottom. But let me know what you think about these, and let me know what color laces. We have that white air bubble right there as well in the center. But what color laces do you like the best? And finally, coming in at number 4, of course, is going to be the Jordan 4 Red Cement. Let me know what y'all think about these. Did you cop these? These red cements have been in heavy competition with the fire reds, and ultimately people were saying, look, if you have the fire reds, you don't need the red cements. That's debatable. I don't have the fire reds, so for me, the red cements was a Mando cop. These originally come with white laces, as you can see there, and just enjoy that lace swap. So we have those hits of white, red, and black. Let me know what you'll think about the red cements. Guys, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the views, and I appreciate you. We're out of here. Thanks for checking out the content. Sit back and relax and enjoy another video. And I am looking forward to, with this week coming, we're gonna have the first Air Jordan 1, the yellow Ochre. Ochre. Right, that too. I've been struggling, but the yellow Ochre, the Air Jordan 1, that's gonna be the first AJ1 coming out for the year. And I'm looking forward to it. I will holler at y'all. Much love.